Comrades, off the back of the announcement lesiyenzile namhlanje yokuthi siyawa reject lama results awe IEC sithi ningalwi. We have bafuna silo labantu laba, they are trying everything possible to make us ukuthi si react ngeviolence. Sithi stand down, ningakwati sibambile information, sibabambile labantu siyazi ukwenzakalani, siphethe yonke evidence. So it's informed by something lento siyenzile namhlanje. Sinzwile, si-actile, kodwa ke yekeleni thina le ndaba sithile nayo. Yeah, ninga react ilento sifuna ukuyisho. Bofuna ukuthi nina wena comrade.
I discipline, high moral, so we don't want any form of violence, any plans of any unrest. Just not allow it to have some form of traction, because nalaba abanye abantu abangafuna ukusibona siphumelela can plant poster, agitate you guys and think are members of MK that are pushing that agenda. Members of MK are disciplined. Just remain calm. And communication will come in due course. The president will address us at the right time. Our way is to allow the process to unfold and allow leadership to handle it. On top of it, you will receive information and communication as and when the time is right. But for now, comrades, remain calm, stand down. Any form of violence, not in our name. They want us to play there, and we are not going to do that. High discipline, high moral.
President Zuma is going to address us, and that's the only command that we will adhere to.
Yeah, and I think it's important to also note that today is the 1st of June, 1 a.m. So it's literally an hour after the interview that you've seen live by the leadership. So it is a legitimate video, it is real, it is current, it is today. So no one must ever say that this video was created any other time. Yep. Amandla.